Hi everyone, my name is Scott. Today we are reviewing the DEERC D70. This drone is rated for ages 14 and older. Let's go ahead, open it up, show you exactly what you get. Okay, let's take a look at some of the accessories. You get 2 batteries, battery charger, screwdriver, extra fan blades. This is going to be used to hold your cell phone. You get your manual, and you just stick this up through here. So we pop this out just like this. I love how they have the controls right on here to let you know how to operate it. That is really cool. That's definitely a big plus. Okay, you have your power button in other modes, speed modes, camera modes, and all that fun stuff. In the back, the remote will take 3 AAA batteries. This is the drone itself. Just slide the battery on in. Extremely lightweight. Got the camera in the front. Power button right here. Once the battery's in, you press and hold that. For charging, you just slide it right in the back here, and you plug this into any USB port. Even a laptop can charge it. It's pretty cool. Now we got it connected to our solar power bank. With the blades expanded, this is how the drone looks.